A lot of big news is happening between traditional finance and cryptocurrency blockchains. In particular, United States dominated and homegrown blockchains. So we can see a lot of good things happening also with the US dollar, stable coins, and just US assets in general. It's getting very exciting. On today's video, we're going to dive into the latest news headlines for Wednesday, February 19th. Welcome back to the channel. My name is C. Will, and if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that way you make sure you stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get started. Binance US resumes USD services for US customers. So if you've been paying attention to what's been happening, a few months back or sometime last year, CZ, Changpeng Zhao of Binance, the founder and CEO, was imprisoned for 4 months. Isn't that kind of ironic? But 4, that he always throws up. He was in prison, and then a lot of services got kind of shut down, and then that helped Coinbase dominate a lot more. But as of today, Binance US resumes USD services for US customers. So they are being allowed to work with the US customers again, and I know that they are excited. And I think it's also a good thing for crypto in general because Binance is actually the number 1 or 2 crypto exchange, and a lot of people do use it, especially internationally. So let them get that dollar back popping. And as we move over to Ripple, as I said in the intro, USD is a big theme of today and just transferring money in general. New partner alert. Ripple USD, a trusted, transparent, and regulated stablecoin built for payments, is now available for trading on Zero Hash X and Revolt app. Get RLUSD, that's Ripple Ledger USD, and then they have the whole solution. So a lot more companies will slowly be integrating the Ripple USD. So very interesting. Good work, Ripple. And then more Ripple news. Unlocking new Fintech revenue streams with digital asset custody. New revenue for digital asset custody. From digital wallets to real-time cross-border payments, fintechs and neobanks, that's new banks, have helped modernize finance, setting new standards for innovation and reshaping expectations for financial systems. Now with 10% of global assets forecasted to be digital by 2030, fintechs have a new opportunity: institutional digital asset custody. Many fintechs are already responding to rising demand for more secure, compliant storage of digital assets. For those seeking to capitalize on the opportunity, Ripple's newest guide provides fintechs with a roadmap for how digital asset custody infrastructure can be built, create new use cases, and fuel growth across fintech services. So this is big because we know Ripple, XRP, Stellar Lumens, Ondo, DAG, Constellation Network, all of them has been out in Washington meeting with the government. They're trying to make sure that regulation is popping off, that the things that you need to do proper business with blockchain and crypto companies happen, and they're making sure that it happens with their companies. So Ripple is going the path of educating companies, and if you educate people, they usually come back to you to get the work in. So the digital asset opportunity for fintechs and neobanks, they got the info there. Versatile institutional crypto custody solutions for evolving demands. Demands do change. And a quick piece on that here is crypto custody and trading for institutional high net worth and retail clients. So they're targeting big money. Structured products for underlying digital assets, that's RWAs. Issuance and custody of tokenized commodities like gold and other rare metals. Tokenization more. Retail use cases for tokenization such as NFTs and loyalty rewards programs. I think that's smart. Secure, seamless access to decentralized applications. DeFi, my favorite. Proven, purpose-built institutional digital asset custody solutions. So Ripple's like, download digital asset custody quick guide for fintechs to discover how you can remain ahead of the curve. Very smart. So big shout out to Ripple. Good work. And as we move on, I think the biggest story of the week for me is from Trump-backed World Liberty Financial collaboration with Ondo to the CFTC inviting crypto executives to discuss tokenized non-cash collateral. Institutional adoption continues to gain momentum. So we got a new FCT chairperson. Trump's Liberty Financial is working with Ondo now. So one, FCT invites crypto executives to Digital Assets Markets Pilot Program. The Commodity Futures Traders Commission is holding a CEO forum for industry-leading firms to discuss the launch of CFTC's Digital Markets Pilot Program for tokenized non-cash collaterals, such as stablecoins. Awesome. 6 digital exchange and 6 security services launch digital collateral services, and you got even Switzerland involved. Then you have Standard Chartered brings tokenized money market fund to retail investors. And remember, Ondo is all about tokenized yield treasuries. They're all about tokenizing bonds and those type of assets. And then here we go. Trump-backed World Liberty Financial collaborates with Ondo. We're excited to announce a strategic collaboration with World Liberty to advance the adoption of tokenized real-world assets and bring traditional finance on chain. And the WLFI is exploring the integration of Ondo's tokenized assets into the network as treasury reserve assets, including the USDY, which is available to non-US people, and the OUSG, which is available to the US people. So those are their main products, is treasury yields and treasury bonds. And this is from Donald Trump Jr. Our collaboration with Ondo Finance marks a significant step forward in aligning traditional financial systems with blockchain innovation. Web3 ambassador at World Liberty Financial, that's Donald Trump Jr. By integrating Ondo's tokenized assets, we're providing our network with access to traditional financial assets and new yield opportunities, right? So this is going to bring more liquidity, more work to the DeFi of World Liberty Financial. And then obviously this is a good partnership for Ondo. And then more news for Ondo. Did you catch Nathan on CNBC? Nathan provided insights on institutional crypto sentiment following the Ondo Summit and explained how Ondo is driving innovation. So they made a TV play. They got on to the future of Wall Street and blockchain for the crypto world on the CNBC, which is big media coverage. Obviously working with Trump. They all over the news. They got treasury bonds. Larry Fink backed them with BlackRock. Ondo's in position. And then the final story today, plug into MoneyGram's global reach. Now your wallet or application can enable users to convert their physical cash into digital dollars and back, even if they don't have a bank account. You know what that means. Stellar's cooking. So this is a lot of big macro US dollar related stuff today. No bank account required. Your application with your app can now plug into MoneyGram's global retail network with one integration, letting your users deposit or withdraw cash from their digital wallet via Stellar USDC without needing a bank account. With MoneyGram's presence in over 180 countries, this single integration makes it easier than ever for your app to reach a truly global audience. Cash in, cash out. Then they got the MoneyGram tutorial, integration with multiple benefits, easy implementation, streamlined onboarding, access to the Stellar network, leverage USDC on Stellar, reach new customers, new payment services. A lot of big stuff is happening, y'all. Stellar Lumens with the MoneyGram pushing USDC, Ondo working with World Liberty and Trump's people. Then you got the crypto institutional custody playbook written by written by Ripple, and they're educating and pushing people about this technology in Washington. Then obviously Binance with USDC or USD services back online. That's really bullish for the US dollar in my opinion, and I think we're going to see a lot more updates throughout this year. Again, my name is C. Will with the Passive Income Network. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.
Passive income, gold in my dental, thank God for my mental. Investor fundamentals, told my girl it was simple.